that lights the fires. Got a rhythm in my bones, and it's taking me higher. Jumping up.
So unfortunately they're renovating the pool, so we can't swim. Too bad.
We're going to Disneyland, Hong Kong.
We are in Disneyland.
Oh yeah.
So it just came out of this Iron Man ride, which is sort of the screen with the 3D glasses. It's actually one of the best versions of that I've seen in theme parks. The cool thing is they really sort of recreated Hong Kong and put Stark Tower inside of Hong Kong, scenes of the city. The voice of Robert Downey Jr., which is cool as well. So yeah, just really well done. Every Disneyland park, of course, is different in terms of food. Here, you can find pretty decent food. I have to say, however, there's no good coffee options. Not a lot of good barista coffee, for instance. And also no alcohol. Or if there is alcohol, I have not seen it. For lunch or dinner, you can check out the Royal Banquet Hall. That's probably our favorite. And especially the pork chop rice is my favorite. It is really good. There's a few of the good options, Japanese, Korean, a lot of Asian food, of course, what you would expect here. So what do you guys think about Grizzly Gulch?
So much
best
better than
ride
Space
here.
Mountain.
The best ride here?
Yes, it goes backwards and does everything.
Space Mountain is
Except for
nothing
loops.
compared to this.
I can smell the squid. So if you want to eat something really, really smelly, then go for this.
But
I don't know if you like it.
It's really good though.
It tastes really good apparently.
It's like chewy, but it's good.
And it smells, you gotta experience the smell. So the park does get busy, and especially in the afternoon, and the lines can go up to like 30, 40, sometimes 50 minutes. So the convenient thing is that in the app, you basically look at the attractions, you click on one, and then you see that you're able to buy like a premier pass for that particular ride. And it's about 120 Hong Kong dollars per ticket, basically per premier pass, which is not that much, especially when you compare it to the US parks. And then you purchase it on the spot and you can go in. And the good thing is, for instance, for Grizzly Gulch, which in our opinion, probably the best ride in Hong Kong Disneyland, you can go straight to the front, no waiting at all, and saves you 40, 50 minutes. So we just came back to the room after a full day at Disneyland Hong Kong. We literally came at opening at 10 a.m. and we left at around 9:30 after the fireworks show. Overall, this park is great for smaller kids. The rides are just more catered to, kids aged around 4 to 10. There's just so many options for smaller kids. The roller coasters themselves are pretty much all doable for smaller kids. Grizzly Gulch, Space Mountain, the Frozen roller coaster can easily be done by pretty much any kid higher than 100 cm. There's just a lot of shows and performances in the park. There's the Moana show, there's the Lion King show, there's the sort of the Disney show in the main theater, the Wondrous Book. Then of course there's the fireworks at night, which is really good. It's like a projection on top of the castle with drones flying. It's pretty long, it's around 30 minutes. It's really well done and just a great way to finish off the day. So for us, the best rides in the park are Grizzly Gulch. It's a great roller coaster. Mystic Manor is just a very unique ride, also very cool. And then thirdly is the Iron Man experience, which is also just, there's a lot of effort that's been put into it, with great views of Hong Kong City. Definitely not to miss those three rides.
Alive, alive.